Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Driving in Jamaica. Today we're going to be driving through Mona, and Mona is in the Papine area. It's close to Papine. It's between Ligani and Papine. We are now on Old Hope Road, driving from Papine towards the Ligani area, and we're going to turn off into the Mona area. Okay, there you can see motorbike just ran the red light, didn't even slow down. Something that happens almost every day in Jamaica. Now there is a system, I'm not sure how far it is, how far along, but cameras are to be put on these stoplights, and when persons run the red light, the camera would take a picture and a ticket would be sent to the owner of the car. So if the registration for the car is in your name, you're going to get a ticket. I'm not sure how far along that system is, but okay, straight ahead, this, if you look, you see a camera on top of the stoplight, so it's supposed to be a part of that system, but I don't think it's up and running yet, or I'm not sure. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below, but we're going to check on it because almost every day you see persons running a red light, and most times it's a taxi, a bus, or a motorbike. I mean, regular cars do it as well, but most of the time it's a taxi, a bus, or a motorbike. And I just hope the motorbikes will be a part of that system, so that they can take a picture of the license plate on the motorbike and send a ticket to the person that owns a motorbike, because so much indiscipline on the roads. Okay, we're now in the Mona area. We're now turning left onto Daisy Avenue, and Mona is a residential area, and the roads up here are named after flowers, or most of the roads are named after flowers. So we're now on Daisy Avenue, and as you can see, it's a residential area. Now Mona is literally next door to the University of the West Indies, and within walking distance to the University of Technology. So you have a lot of students from the university looking to rent rooms or homes for the semester, or in Jamaica I think they call it a term. So this area, Mona, is very popular for students renting rooms or even a house. So it's very popular for that. On the right is a church, Anglican Church, Church of the Ascension, Mona Heights. So we're turning from Daisy Avenue now. We're going on to Bougainvillea Avenue. I guess it was very nice to name the roads after flowers. Very unique, very well done. New Kingston also has a similar concept with the naming of the roads. The roads are named after Caribbean countries. And UTech has a similar road structure where they name their roads after Caribbean countries also. But the main road that takes you right around the Mona campus is called Jamaica Boulevard. Okay, so this is Bougainvillea Avenue. On the right, that's Old Hope Road. Okay, we're going to turn left now onto Garden Boulevard. We're now passing over Palmetto Avenue. This intersection is with Daisy Avenue. On the right, we're passing Violet Avenue. As you can see, a lot of homes in this area. It's a very large residential area. On the left is Amona Heights School. At the end of this road, that's Mona Road. Straight ahead, where the Garden Boulevard intersects. The road straight ahead, that's Mona Road. But we're going to turn right and continue our tour through Mona. On the left is an apartment complex. If anybody knows how much your homes cost in this area, you can leave a comment in the section below. It's a very nice area. Looks well maintained too. Alright guys. Okay. The name of this road is Pathodia Avenue. And we are now going to drive out of Mona. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. We're now going on to Gardenia Avenue. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.